Hey folks, you guys wanted a more intuitive writing experience with Paperpal and we heard you. The previous interface looked something like this, which might not have been as minimalistic or as intuitive as you'd like it to be. Presenting to you the revamped version of the old editor. Now, at the click of a button and on your fingertips, you'll have all the Paperpal's AI features, and you can simply start by typing in a / and you'll have the entire list of the features starting from write, rewrite, translate, research insights, templates, and even a virtual coach for that matter. You'll also have some new and handy formatting options that you can use on the go. But first, let me show you how to get around here. So currently I'm researching on supermassive black holes and I'd like to start writing an article on this. So for this, I'll go up and use this prompt that will help me write and get the inspiration. So I'll click on this prompt and type in my topic, supermassive black holes, and wait for the response. Once the suggestions start flowing in, I can choose to use any of these options and further refine the response. For now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead with this and go to the next section of the essay by simply clicking on this plus icon here and using the research insight option to dig the research a little bit deeper. So I'll go here and ask a research question, and as you saw, the sidebar expanded itself for you. Now you can start asking questions here, and a cool functionality is that once you hover over this line, you can expand it as per your liking. How cool, right? If you want to zone back in to your writing, you can simply click this and this will collapse. This will give you complete visual control, and you can work and switch your focus between the sidebar and the editor. Let me toggle on over to an article that I'm already writing on this topic and show you what more you can do with the new Paperpal editor. Well, for starters, you can click on any of these red underscored words and the corresponding language card will open up for you, which you can review and accept or reject as per your discretion. What's more, you can also use some handy keyboard shortcuts to format your writing. For example, I'd like to make the bulleting consistent in this section, for which I can use the keyboard shortcuts. An exhaustive list of these keyboard shortcuts is provided in the Help and Resources section right here at the bottom right of the sidebar. Here you can access the keyboard shortcuts, and please do not forget to submit a feedback so that we can make the Paperpal's editor experience all the more better for you. Happy writing!